What's up, guys? I'm Sean from Srkcycles. I'm answering common new rider questions. And the one very common new rider question, and most of these questions would all be solved if you guys spent the money and they actually went to a rider safety class. But I'm going to answer that question because maybe you haven't or you forgot what they taught you. And that one question is using the front brake dangerous? And if you know anything about motorcycles, you know this is the worst possible question anyone could ask. It's not like a bicycle where if you slam on the front brake, the whole thing's going to flip over. Motorcycles weigh between 400 to 1,100 pounds. If you watch videos of those guys doing stoppies, it's actually pretty hard to do. You have to your whole body is forward, you're going really fast, and you slam on that thing really hard to pop the front end up. Most of your braking is going to be on the front brakes. And if you're doing any type of performance riding, almost all of your braking is going to be on the front brakes. Most bikes have a lot of bikes have dual rollers. They have more braking power in the front than they do on the back because the front brakes is managed by your fingers, your back brake is managed by your foot, and if you go grab both of them, your foot is a whole lot stronger than your fingers, and you're going to lock up that back tire, and you're going to go into a slide. Even the same thing with cars. With cars, most of your braking is on the front. A lot of times it's like 90-10 front brakes to rear brakes. That's why your front brakes will wear out much faster than your rear brakes do. It's the exact same thing with a motorcycle. You want to be using your front brakes way more than your back brakes. I hope that answers the question. If you have any more questions, leave them below. We're going to answer them. I'm happy to help you new riders get through this thing, and definitely go take a motorcycle class. Go drop someone else's bike in the class. They provide the bikes for you. That's the best way to learn. We'll see you guys later. Don't forget to subscribe.